is the people part of the house. And over here is the livestock part. The people part is quite small compared to the livestock part, and there is no partition in between. This is a large house barn because it came from a large farm, and so they had to have a big house barn. And in order for them to be able to have enough light so that people can see to work in the center part here, that's where they did most of their work. As they did their work in here, they had to have light, and that would have to come from the south end and the north end. So there cannot be a partition between the people part and the livestock part. So the people always ask, doesn't it smell? And no, it doesn't, because they clean up behind the livestock in here 3 and 4 times a day, or whenever they have time to do it, or whenever they see the need to do it. Now, who do you suppose does the cleanup? And most of the people say, well, the kids. No, it's the women. The women are the ones who clean up and keep the house barn from smelling. And you know, women like to do pretty things. They do pretty handwork. And so when they do the cleanup of the house barn, sometimes they will make the manure pile outside look pretty. And so one way they might do that is they take the shovel full of manure out and they put it on the pile so that it looks like it's been braving.